how to turn on or turn off two-factor authentication on Vimeo PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Vimeo. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Go here and then go down to settings, and after you click on settings, now go right here to this security option. Click on security. Now all what you have to do is you can enable the two-factor authentication from here, or you can disable it by choosing this one and click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.